Here with Big Josh Vegan and Christina. We're going to get some food at Strong Hearts and see what he thinks of the vegan stuff they have.
Chicken wings!
We're gonna try something awkward, something that I've never tried.
I guess, yeah.
Okay, let's see. Christina says she's had like problems with tofu. She just doesn't have a good experience with tofu.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have her try the egg trick muffin, which is in my cookbook. It's in our video. It's good. So we're gonna see if she likes that.
I just bought the wings. Lots and lots of wings.
We're gonna try a bunch of things though.
We are gonna try a lot of stuff. It's way too late for the breakfast, right?
Is there no way we could get an egg trick?
I'll ask.
Cool, they're gonna ask. The time is over with. You know, they don't do breakfast anymore, and I really wanted to have her try an egg trick muffin.
We're really hoping she gets to try.
Yeah, sorry, we don't. No. That's for the morning staff.
Okay. The answer was no.
Okay, so then I want to do 3 orders of the wings.
Okay.
I want to do the buffalo, the sweet and sassy, and the don't be a jerk. An Earth Crisis?
We're actually out of chocolate, vanilla, cookie dough, and mint ice cream right now. Pumpkin.
Are you kidding me?
We only have pumpkin.
That's pretty good. It's actually really good.
I went for the healthier version than the milkshake. I like the smoothie.
It's like banana peanut butter.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Banana peanut butter with chocolate protein.
It's good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Got it?
Yeah.
Where's ours?
You guys don't get any. It's all for me.
Oh wow.
Wow, that's big.
Those are vegan too. And they look real.
They do.
Don't
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, so those kind of look like the ones I was talking about. Those are probably what, the jerk ones?
That's gotta be, yeah.
Yeah. And the other ones were the buffalo. And then the last one are sweet and sassy, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
no.
Ooh, mushroom Swiss.
Mushroom
go.
Swiss.
Ooh, bazinga.
She's like mushrooms.
You wanna open it?
There's all the mushroom and
Onion.
onion
Yeah.
and all that stuff. And it's on a pretzel
And a
bun.
pretzel, yeah.
So I have the Philly barbecue or buffalo. So
That's yours.
That'd be mine. Right there.
This is my favorite.
Big Josh Vegan has. Okay, those are
Buffalo.
what? Buffalo?
Oh yeah.
Wow,
Wow, they
stings the
really-
nostrils.
Yeah. Well,
Wow.
the buffalo are my favorite.
Yeah.
This stuff is awesome.
Vegan ranch.
Yeah.
And we have a video for that, and I'll link that below.
You do?
I do.
Like how to make it?
Yep, easy recipe.
That is really good.
Yeah.
We got 2 brand new vegans with us. Josh loves these wings even before he went vegan.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, he did. I don't know what it is, but I like that one.
it's not ranch.
I'm not waiting.
No, this is.
Biting into it.
But that's really good.
Ooh, nothing.
And that's a Beyond Burger with mushrooms and pretzilla. We're gonna get an honest review.
Yeah, you are.
Here we are.
Hold on.
She's trying it again.
Yeah, I have to. Oh my gosh.
I told her if she doesn't like something, be totally honest and say, I don't really like this.
I don't think I've gotten the burger yet.
No burger. Oh yeah, you went right into the.
I know.
Yeah, get a burger. There we go.
It's okay. The cheese is a lot.
The cheese.
Even for me, and I like cheese.
Would you want to scrape some of the cheese off?
Probably. Other than it's good. I don't know if I would order it again though.
Okay. Well, we're gonna have to try to find her another one at some point. So you're biting into, what is that?
Buffalo.
Buffalo. Look at that. Look at the texture. What's your verdict on the buffalo?
It's so good.
And I can tell they're made a little bit different than they were at the fair.
Yeah, I mean, I don't remember. They're still so good. I feel like the buffalo ones I had at the fair were super messy. And these don't have a lot of sauce on them.
So do you want more sauce? Do you wish there was more sauce on them? Or
Yeah.
maybe we could get like an extra side of sauce.
Yeah.
I'm excited for you to try those ones. Are those the jerk ones or the?
Well,
We have sweet and sassy and jerk.
these got to be the jerk.
All right. Let's be a jerk.
Oh.
These are the jerk? Okay.
They're definitely the jerk. They're good. Definitely not as good as the buffalo. The barbecue ones I had before, I didn't get any barbecue ones today, but they're definitely good, but the smell hits you, I think, before you take the bite.
Okay, well, I'm gonna finish yours.
The buffalo way. You probably want some sauce on that too, don't you?
Oh, the ranch?
Yeah.
Yep.
The taste is really good, but I can't do the texture.
No texture? No to the texture, but the taste is good.
The taste is really good.
So texture is just something that you're gonna have to get used to.
Yeah. But there's some things that have been really good for texture.
Did you like those Mandarin chicken?
Yeah. That was so good because it was crispy on the outside.
Yeah. Those are wicked good. So
What
this
about-
is
did you
sweet
try-
and sassy right here.
Okay, sweet and sassy. Go for it. Good? Yep. So the wings are 3 for 3 for a big job.
Yeah.
So I'm full. Let's see how they did.
Yeah, I'm full.
You're full?
Oh yeah.
She ate half of her burger, but we're going to get some dessert now, right?
Yeah, we're getting dessert.
And Josh,
The wings were so good, but I got full really quick.
yeah, you only ate about 3.5 of them.
Yeah.
So
Three
Big
and a half.
Josh vegan. I thought you were gonna eat all of them, but yeah.
I
No,
will
not
eat.
after.
I will definitely eat all of them before the night is over.
Yeah.
But I'm saving room for dessert.
Yeah.
I'm ready for dessert.
There is a place in the mall that has some vegan like nachos and chili and stuff like that, but they also have vegan soft serve ice cream. So hopefully they still have that. We're gonna go check it out. Big Josh vegan doesn't believe in coats.
Nope. And I'm freezing cold. I'm gonna cry a little.
It's pretty cold out here. We're up on the hill, Syracuse University. Let me just show you guys what the temperature is because I don't even know, but it feels like 18. Yeah. Ricky was a young boy. 273! What the heck is 273?
I just hit 273 subscribers.
Woo! We are in what I like to call the secret parking garage because nobody parked here. It's in the middle of, it's kind of hard to find, but I park in here whenever I go to the mall, which I don't like to go too often, but we're gonna go find them, hopefully, some vegan soft serve ice cream.
Yeah. Let's get our dessert on.
So it seems like the food you just had woke you up a little.
Oh man.
So
After 26 hours of no sleep, I needed some energy.
yeah, you started working yesterday at 4:30.
Yeah.
And now it's like 6 o'clock.
Yeah, still going.
Still has not
We gotta
gone
get
to
that
sleep.
sugar.
And then you gotta drop me off and go home to sleep.
And then we're gonna go to sleep for 24 hours.
Cool.
Yeah. And then the soup for today is black bean soup. And we serve vegan cookies down here.
Vegan
They
cookies.
sell pretty quickly, yeah.
Oh, the ones with the V on it, right?
Yeah.
All of the bottom row? Okay, little update. They have vegan soft serve ice cream, but the machine broke today. A snickerdoodle and the chocolate chip. Yeah, Gardine is all vegan. Some kids going in there right now, going down it. Check this out, they're doing it on their own. They're finding vegan things and showing me, look, vegan. You guys are growing up so fast. Took a little pit stop into, where are we?
TJ Maxx.
TJ
Yeah.
Maxx.
TJ Maxx.
They've got lots of.
A lot of people in my last video, the Walmart video, said that they could find some decent stuff here. I never come here, so this is cool. Reading labels. Being a real vegan.
Being a real
In a
vegan.
real vegan.
Yeah, something like this. It doesn't say vegan on it. It does say no dairy, no peanuts, gluten-free, and the ingredients.
Everybody would.
The only thing I would even question, which is probably not, is just a natural flavor.
This is, everybody was saying that you needed to get these.
No pots. Yeah, they were saying that those are really good creamer. The Navitas cacao and maca right there, $4.99. That's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, that
Vegan
one
heirloom
has the V
sauce.
right in the back.
Oh, I love that. Josh, you really got to get your ashwagandha on. Josh is trying to find out if something's vegan. Let's see if he can do it.
It's not.
What's you got in it?
Egg yolk.
Egg yolk, not vegan.
Sure isn't.
People in my last video, go check it out, Walmart video, we're talking about Schmidt's being over here, and it was, so it's $4.99 here, which is a lot cheaper than the other place. It's still kind of pricey, but this is the deodorant that works for me out of all the vegan ones. I would like to see if they have a different scent though. And they have some vegan toothpaste, charcoal activated. You can see that it says Veg. Tom's is another one. And it looks like they have some Dr. Bronner's soap. Now I'm not going to look through everything here, but if you guys want to know beauty products and stuff, what's vegan, what's not, go check out my friend Vegan Makeup Share. Christelle is great with that stuff, so give her a follow. If you guys are interested, she'll answer all your questions. She's really good about that. Alright, it looks like we found one more, but this one's broken. This one's only $3 on discount. I don't know why everything is just thrown like this. It just, even if I find it, I don't really want to buy it because it's all thrown together. It looks like other people might have used them.
If the glove don't fit.
I found one more scattered. So these are like little Easter eggs scattered all over the place to find. And this is the peppermint and chill. I'm going to smell this one. It smells like Christmas. Oh, this one's only $2.
That's a deal. It's only half used.
Oh, I found a better one. This one's more put together, so it's a little bit pricier, $4.99. So this is what most malls look like, zombie apocalypse. It is a Monday night, and it is nighttime, and it is crappy weather out. Oh, and it is a holiday, too. Josh just found like the perfect thing for his videos. He needs one of these to be made.
How much is it to get ahead?
All right, he's making this into a big sign of his face. All right, guys, the video has come to an end. We're gonna wrap this up. Had fun with Josh and Christina. So what did you guys think of tonight? Going to Strong Hearts and then looking at ingredients and stuff like that through the mall and...
I love Strong Hearts and I love the wings, so it was real good.
Christina, I'm sorry you didn't like the food like crazy, but it was okay. You still...
It wasn't disgusting. It
Right.
was still good.
But for you, it's like the texture thing still trying to get used to?
Right. I liked being able to go to that restaurant and know everything was safe to eat. It was vegan. That was a good thing. So I wouldn't mind going back and trying something else, though.
But what you said about being able to go out to eat into a restaurant and pick anything you wanted to, it felt safe. And you don't, when we go out to eat now, it's like we're being new to the vegan world. You don't really feel safe not knowing what's going to be in everything.
Right, and another good thing that Christina mentioned on our way home that we didn't get on film was she was talking about you always had stomach problems while you were driving before you went vegan, and acids you'd have to take with you and just felt sick all the time. So ever since you went vegan, you haven't had that problem?
No. I used to go through a bottle of Pepto like probably every two days. And, I'm on the road for like 12 hours at a time. So every 2 trips, I would finish off like one of the extreme power Peptos. And now I don't have problems at all anymore.
You don't even bring it with you anymore?
I don't even keep it in the car. I don't keep any kind of antacid in the car anymore. I don't need it.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, and we're what, 2 weeks in?
Yeah, that's
so
awesome.
It's great.
So what do we have in the in store for you? For some of your video updates?
The next video, I'm going to test my blood. I'm going to show how I do that on film. What the results will be what they are. It'll be recorded. So we're going to start there, and then we'll do updates on all the foods that we've been trying, and we'll probably make a couple pizzas. So we got a lot coming up. All right, guys, you heard it straight from Big Josh, and go follow his channel for updates on a longtime meat lover going vegan. His journey there. Give me the thumbs up, subscribe, survive.
Watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.